Welcome to Okuma. My name is Jakob Simon and I work as automation specialist for Okuma Europe. Today I'm excited to introduce a machining solution that combines advanced 5-axis capability with intelligent automation. The Okuma MU-6300 equipped with a 7-station automatic pallet changer, or the so-called Okuma 7 APC. The MU-6300 is a high-performance 5-axis machine. It handles complex multi-surface machining in one setup. With simultaneous 5-axis control and a strong trunnion table, it delivers highest precision for complicated parts. This makes it ideal for aerospace, energy and high-tech industries. The machine supports milling and turning operation, offering true 5-axis multitasking capability in one compact footprint. The 7 APC system adds automation and flexibility. It allows continuous production across different parts. While one pallet is being machined, others can be loaded, unloaded or stored. This reduces idle time and increases spindle utilization tremendously. Pallets are stored in 2 vertical levels to keep a compact footprint. In summary, the Okuma MU-6300V with 7 APC is a versatile, high-precision and automation-ready solution. It helps manufacturers to boost productivity, cut lead times and stay competitive. If you want to learn more about our outstanding machining solutions, contact us via info@okuma.eu.